Sana namang mapagpalang umaga sa ating lahat. Pumunta po tayo dito sa graduation. Dito po sa Buliwang Elementary School. Binansagang Bolex. Panoorin natin.
Have finally made it to the finish line of this chapter. Parents, families, teachers, and guests, you too deserve a round of applause because behind every successful learner is someone who believed in them, pushed them, guided them, and cheered them on, sometimes with tough love, sometimes with quiet strength. This year's theme, Strengthening the Foundation of Literacy and Lifelong Learning, Achieving Sustainable Futures Through Quality Education, reminds us that what our learners carry from here is just enough. What our learners carry from here is not just knowledge, but purpose, character, and the power to shape their future, and perhaps even the world. So as we begin this unforgettable celebration, I encourage everyone to be present in every moment, cheer a little louder, smile a little brighter, and most of all, let's make this day unforgettable for the stars of today, our graduates. Once again, welcome to the 2025 graduation ceremony of Buliwang Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, we now begin our ceremony with the entrance of our distinguished participants. Let us all rise and welcome the procession of the graduates, parents, teaching, and non-teaching personnel, deputy officials, and our guest speaker. Please remain standing until everyone has taken their place. Once again, the processional of the graduates.
whose life and work have left a lasting mark on the field of education.
It's truly an honor to welcome a woman whose dedication, compassion, and resilience have shaped countless young minds across generations.
Let's get to know our special guest.
Born to hardworking farmers Santiago Cutillog and Maria Pulau Cutillog, she is the youngest of 5 siblings. Her journey in education began at Buliwag Elementary School, where her love for learning first blossomed.
She continued her studies at St. Louis High School and later pursued a Bachelor of Elementary Education at St. Louis University in Baguio City. During her first to third year in college, she worked as a student assistant at the St. Vincent Convent for Lay Missionary Sisters, located along Nuwakan Road near Camp John Hay.
In her 4th year, due to health concerns, she transferred to St. Mary's College, now known as St. Mary's University in Bayonggong, Nueva Vizcaya, where she successfully completed her degree.
She graduated at just 21 years old, passed the professional board examination for teachers, PIVET, and by the age of 22, she had already earned a permanent teaching position.
Served in the public education sector for an impressive 39 years, 9 months, and 7 days. And if you include her 6 months institution service, the total reaches a full 40 years of dedicated teaching.
For 34 of those years, she taught at Buliwang Elementary School, where she became a cornerstone of the community. She was actively involved in scouting and deeply committed to Indigenous Peoples Education, or IPED, promoting inclusive and culturally grounded learning for Indigenous children.
Beyond her professional accomplishments, she is also a devoted wife to Mr. Alberto Dampao and a proud mother of 6 children, 3 daughters and 3 sons.
And as her family continues to grow, she now enjoys being a loving grandmother to 3 granddaughters and 5 grandsons. A legacy built with love, patience, and inspiration, all of whom are part of the beautiful legacy she has built through love, care, and example.
Today, we shine a spotlight on her unwavering commitment, strength of character, and the countless lives she has touched through both education and motherhood.
So without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to our esteemed guest speaker, a true pillar of education, Miss Cecilia Cotillog Dampao.
For that nice info and the coach, teacher director, and Sir Johari, our master of ceremony. Ang ipalidwa mo ang acknowledge taon na tina-acknowledge taon na for 5 times. So, pinaya imenare ay. So, good morning, iti taon namin. I am honored and thankful for inviting me to give a message to you young graduates, so that you will have something to hold on as you continue your studies and in your life journey. It's a gana antik kay ang message ko in English, but i-happy lang. So, mga isang tao, yang mag-graduates, karoon tao, nakikita yung ang bakit niya, nag-may, kinaan, utak. But before I begin my message, I would like to congratulate you because you successfully finished your third level of education. Napita kayo sa third level because you graduated daycare. Then you graduated kinder. Maitbay ang nom-nom yung ingay. Maitbay ang grade 9 in the MTV. So at one, ng third time you acknowledge. Okay. So, even during the pandemic, you were grade 2 and grade 3 in the MTV. O yeah, we understand that working on your modules is hindi yan at tarikatan, aborboringan. Yan. The module ay you for 2 years, but you continue until I understand. And I would say, congratulations in our parents and non act as teacher, non act as school head. Yeah. Okay. You guided them in answering their modules. In umuntupay na yung parents will answer. And we accept. Okay. So, congratulations.
Alright, that was really, truly a touching song. Graduates, as you step into the new world, filled with new lessons and adventures, may you always carry the values you learned here. So at this moment, we will proceed with the photo ops, picture taking muna, with our first muna guest,